Desktop terminal. This terminal having three ways of connection. First is using dial-up line, second is using landline, and third is through Wi-Fi. And now I will explain to you two ways of the connection. For this desktop terminal, all you need is only power adapter, dial-up line cable, or landline cable. And followed is the installation step. For dial-up line, please plug in the power adapter cable to power socket at the back of the terminal. Then, take the dial-up cable and slot in into the line connection port and join the other slot into the phone wall socket. And for the cable management, please refer the video properly. Later, you can turn on the power adapter. And now, I will explain about the landline installation. The power adapter remains at the power port. Then, take the landline cable and connect to the LAN connection port. And for the cable management, please refer the video properly. Afterward, you can turn on the power adapter and can start using the terminal. For paper installation, please pull up the latch at the paper cap and take paper roll, then slot it into the paper compartment. Please ensure the carbonized paper roll facing up correctly. If not, the printing processing will be problem. And to close the cap, press both sides of the cover until the tag sounded. Now, I will explain to you about 3G portable terminal. For 3G portable, battery and power adapter will be provided. For your info, the battery already has been installed in the battery compartment at the back of the terminal. You can immediately turn on the terminal. For the first time use, please ensure the battery fully charged before performing any transaction. Later, if you see the low battery indicator signal blinking, use the power adapter provided joined into the USB port on the left hand side of the terminal and plug in to start charging. For 3G portable terminal, all the terminal will be provided with a battery pack, but this battery is not under warranty. For any damage related to the battery and for any replacement, merchants need to buy the new battery, as this method is just like we buy a new notebook, which is battery pack is not included under the warranty, as we need to take care of it to ensure it can be used for a long duration. This battery lifetime is depending on how smart we handle it. For the first time charge, please ensure the battery fully charged and unplug to save battery life, as this battery can be charged up to 300 times and can be used 200 transactions per charging. Charging recharging cycle also important to measure how long our battery can be bearable, as we no need to charge this battery every day. We need to start charging when it's needed. When the battery indicated 1/3 or 25% of the battery bar, then we can start charging. If not, the more frequent we charge, it will speed up our battery charging recharging cycle. To give clearer picture, for example, if you charge your battery every day, your battery only can be last for 300 days, which can be used less than 1 year. But if you charge your battery once a week, you can save your battery charging recharging cycle, and this battery can be used for 300 weeks, equal to almost 6 years of battery life. For 3G portable paper installation, please grip both sides of the paper cover and pull up. Then take the paper roll and slot it into the paper compartment, and please ensure the carbonized paper roll is facing up correctly. If not, the printing processing will be problem. To close the paper cover, press both sides until the tap sounded. And before I explain details about the terminal, the most important thing you need to know before performing any transaction is to ensure the card types. Currently, in Malaysia, we do have two kinds of cards. First is chip and pin. All Malaysian cards will be in chip and pin due to this is the latest edition card and compulsory implemented in Malaysia now. And any card without this feature will not be accepted. And second is foreign card. Foreign card came to Malaysia have two types. First is using chip, and second is using magnetic stripe. And now, before I proceed, important for me to inform, desktop terminal and 3G portable is using the same interface. As you can see, even the keypad also is the same. Due to our function is just same, I'll be using the 3G portable terminal to represent both terminals to explain further. To on the terminal, once everything was in order, please press the on button until the beep sounded, and you can release from pressing the button. Then wait until you see the Maybank logo appear.